Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you 3 of the most useful apps you should get on your Motorola Edge 30 Pro. So the first app I'm gonna show you is called Caffeine. And what it does, it changes your screen timeout to any of the available options right here. But the most important one is actually infinite. Because if we go to our settings of the phone, find display, screen timeout, the maximum timeout is 30. So if you want your phone to never get locked, you can use Caffeine to do that. The next app is NotifyBuddy, and what it does is actually you can enable any app available here, or your system apps as well, and you will get when you get notifications from them. So for example, Fit Google, and you will lock your screen, you'll have the LED like that lighting on your screen when it's locked. So that's a quite nice thing to have. I like that a lot. Let's move to the last and the next app, and it's Duolingo. And what it does, it actually teaches you any language. So you can pick, first you will need to pick the language you want to learn. So for example, if you want to learn Polish, continue. We're just gonna skip everything about that. And from here you'll be able to learn any language you want. And you can do it anytime. Yeah, exactly. You just open the app and complete levels like in game, any game, and you'll learn the language slowly but very well, because it works, trust me. And that was all of the 3 apps available for your phone, Motorola Edge 30 Pro. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.